Hey babes, welcome back. I'm Bianii, and today we're going to be getting into this wig from Love Me Hair. She's gorgeous. If you want to see me install, or should I say throw on, this all-day comfort wig, I'm talking breathable and lightweight, pre-bleached, so no over bleaching those knots, pre-plucked. I can't pluck for the life of me, and I've been installing wigs for too long now, girl. It's embarrassing. HD lace, pre-parted and styled. Like, y'all see these curls and layers? That I didn't have to do. Love that for me. Perfect for someone with a busy life. Someone like me who has to juggle a lot of things, and sometimes thinking or about doing your hair is the last thing you want to do. Like, before this, I literally had to take out my braids, and baby, I was dreading it. But now I have an in-between hairstyle. Who even knows that this is Glueless? Who even knows that I've thrown this on? As of right now, just you and me. But before we move any further within this video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new here and that post notification bell, because baby, it'll keep you informed. You know, I'm a little inconsistent. Not too much. Thank you for any of my returning subscribers. It means so much. Now let's get started. So we're just going to get started with this unboxing, showing you guys all the things you're going to get when you order the all-day comfort wig from Love Me Hair. Get into the details. It's just giving luxe, luxurious vibes, and I am 100% loving it. So first things first, you're going to be greeted with your beautiful wig. She's gorge, but we're going to get into her a little bit later. And then we have our dust bag to store the wig in the future. We also get a wig cap, but not any wig cap, an HD wig cap. Can this install get any more seamless? And just get into all these details, all the purple. It's honestly so well thought out. And the fact that I get a beauty blender is amazing, because you need this to put makeup on your wig cap, on your wig. And not only did they think of the beauty blender, but they also thought of the wig clip, which is in this pretty soft matte purple. When I saw this, I was definitely shook. They give you a label, which is great to help organize your wigs. And finally, you get your thank you cards, which also come with a QR code to leave a review, a wig care guide, and some information about returns, which you won't be needing to do. Now we can get into the wig. This is Love Me Hair's All Day Comfort Wig in layered loose body wave. Here we have 26 lovely long bouncy inches. Look at the shine. Now get into this lace, you guys. I had to give us a moment because this lace is not only bleached, but it is also pre-plucked, and it's melting with my skin. Your closure is going to be 7x6. You get so much parting space to just try different parts out. Not only that, but the wig itself is breathable and lightweight, so you can wear it all day, and there is no stress on your scalp or edges, so they can just thrive and be healthy. And of course we get our glueless band. This is going to be what keeps this wig nice and snug on your head. And here I'm showing you guys it is adjustable, so you can make it looser or tighter if you need. Something that makes this wig really unique are their smart clips. There is 3 adjustable settings so that this wig can fit any size head, whether your head is small, medium, or large. It's super simple. You just unhook it and then hook it to your desired clip, and you're done. Now we can move on to the installation process, which was so easy. I'm just taking my HD cap and throwing that on my head. Now I'm going to grab my adorable beauty blender and my tinted powder. I'm going in for the darker shade just to apply that all over my wig cap. If you're worried about getting makeup on your hair, you can do this on your wig stand. But y'all, surprisingly, I was good. I did go in with my tinted moisturizer because I wanted it a bit darker, but this is just me looking like a little egg. Now it's time for me to put this wig on. I tried to put the wig on with the smart clip on the tightest setting. I must have been too excited, because who told me my head was a small? We took her off and we adjusted the smart clip to the loosest setting, which is great because if I didn't have this, I would be trying to cut the ear tabs or returning her. How tragic. I did cut the lace off camera because it was easier, but this is just what it looks like. Melting once again. Like, hello? So now I am putting it on now that it has been loosened and adjusted to fit my head. The lace has been cut. Look at this. Just out of the package. Only makeup on the wig cap. Looks amazing. I'm just showing you guys right here because we didn't do much of anything, and that HD lace is very much giving HD. I did go back in with that same powder to apply to the lace just to make it even more seamless. But that's really all I did, you guys. I didn't use a hot comb because I didn't need to. Look how flat it was already. And if I used a hot comb, I would have burnt myself. I always do. Combed out the curls a little bit to make them a little looser, and voila, gorgeous. Feeling myself? Yes, most definitely. So we are officially done with this video. Links are going to be down below so you guys can get this wig yourself if you're interested. They also have a few other different kinds and textures, so you're not limited to this one if you don't want body wave. But I mean, I wouldn't knock it, okay? 26 beautiful inches in layers. I can genuinely say I love this wig right now. I can't even. And you can definitely part pretty far because they did the curve, and I'm pretty sure, look, there's still lace back here, y'all. It's big head friendly. Check. Baby, my head's big, and it's even bigger because my hair is really thick. So y'all better go get you one of these before they sell out. I can definitely see me wearing this in the fall. Cardigan, sweater, some boots, some jeans. I can envision it now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like this hair on me because I do. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.